There's sunshine.
Hello my friends, how are you today? I hope you're healthy and safe. I am back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing this makeup look. Honestly, I think this is the most, I don't know, it's my total favorite look that I ever created. I love the bronzy, the gold, and everything related to it. I feel much better than I was let's say this morning, as let's be serious, with everything that's going on in the world, we need a little bit of something to make us feel good, and makeup definitely makes me feel good. And let's roll. For the brows, I'm going to be using BH Cosmetics brow pomade in the shade Caramel. Next is going to be foundation. We're gonna prime our eyes today with the Anastasia eye primer. Today I'm going to be starting with Sigma Enchanted palette, and I'm gonna start with Terra. Now the next, what I want to do is highlight my brow bone, and for that I'm gonna use the Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette. To darken it a little more, I'm going to go in with a clay stone. And the next I'm going to cut the crease. The next I am going to be using Naked Cosmetics pigments. And with the brush that I did the transition color, whatever's left on the brush, I am just going to blend and marry the shades together. This gold yellow pigment is probably the best one I have ever had. It's so beautiful. Next is going to be eyeliner, and I'm just going to add it at the lash line. And the next I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeshadow at the end. Next we are gonna add a little bit of mascara. For the lashes I'm going to use Dye Silk. Alright guys, and the next is concealer. Next is powder. I'm going to powder with Derma Blend. By the way guys, all the products that I'm using today in the video, they're going to be listed in the description box if I forget to mention them in the video. So if you're curious about anything, you're gonna find everything in there. So with that said, the next thing, I am going to bronze up and blush my face, and for that I'm going to be using Sigma palettes. And of course I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna add a little more highlighter. Now I'm going to add Terra eyeshadow underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna add a little more eyeshadow underneath the eyes. Now the next step is optional. If your eyes are very sensitive, I would avoid doing that. However, we're gonna go that extra step, and I'm gonna add the same gold eyeshadow in the inner corner, in the waterline. To create a liner, I am going to be using a mixing medium. I got this one from Color Fix, and then I am gonna get the pigment, and I'm gonna mix it together. I don't know if you can see guys what I'm doing. I'm basically mixing them up together. Just gonna go in with the eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna add it in the waterline. For the lipstick, I am going to be using Sigma Fable, and I'm going to top it with Anastasia Luna. And this is it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. All the products that I used today are going to be listed in the description box. If you guys want me to create a specific look, why don't you let me know in the comments down below. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye lovies!